Hi everyone, DIY student here. Right now I have a drawn out Angry Birds on my iPhone case. You notice I accidentally did it upside down. I thought though it would look kind of cool, so I'm going to leave it. And if you watch, I'll just show you how to do it. You'll want to have your Sharpies ready. If you want to make it permanent at the end, you'll want to use either a water-based sealant or some clear nail polish on top. And there you go, another Angry Bird done in under 3 minutes. Now, like I said, if you want to make it permanent, you'll want to put some clear nail polish or water-based sealant on top.